All right, welcome everybody to our NBA break for tonight. If you're looking for NFL, that one's going to be in about an hour and a half. We'll have that going. But we're starting off with NBA for tonight. A couple packs and boxes going up. We're going to open. Just before I start that, just go over a couple specifics. If you're new with us, any rookies that we do pull go automatically in sleeves. Same with any inserts. Any hits that we have for tonight go in top loaders. Everything will be mailed out in team bags and in bubble mailers. And they will go out in Monday morning's mail. So you should be getting them shortly. Starting off, we do have 3 value packs for 2020 to 21 Illusions. A value pack for 19 to 20 Illusions. Also a value pack for 18 to 19 Status. For hanger box, we have a 19 to 20 Mosaic. And in here, we're looking for 4 orange prisms. And for blaster boxes, we have a 19 to 20 Chronicles. We're looking for blaster exclusive rookies and stars inserts in here, as well as some other things. And lastly, we have a 19 to 20 NBA Hoops blaster box. We're looking for red prisms in there. I'm going to go through our participants for tonight. We did have a couple teams go unsold. So you may see your name against a team next to a team that you didn't purchase. Those are cards that you're going to get as well as the ones you purchased. Starting off, we have Andrew P. with the Hawks, Thomas W. with the Celtics, Matthew S. with the Nets, Alex J. with the Hornets, Andrew S. with the Bulls, Eli O. with the Cavs, Mel E. with the Mavericks, Andrew P. with the Nuggets, Mel E. with the Pistons and Warriors, Alex J. with the Rockets, Eli O. with the Pacers, Mel E. with the Clippers and Lakers, Andrew P. with the Grizzlies, Thomas W. with the Heat, Andrew P. with the Bucks, Andrew S. with the Timberwolves, Mel E. with the Pelicans, Andrew P. with the Knicks. Andy, if you just joined us, there were some teams that were not purchased that we randomized between everybody, so you'll get some cards with ones that you didn't purchase. Mel E. with the Pelicans, Andrew P. with the Knicks, Vanessa H. with the Thunder and Magic, Mel E. with the 76ers, Matthew S. with the Suns and Trailblazers, Andrew P. with the Kings, Andrew S. with the Spurs, Eli O. with the Raptors, Vanessa H. with the Jazz, and Alex J. with the Wizards. All right, we're going to do our packs first. We'll start off with the status. Good luck, everybody. So we got 15 cards in here. Looking for red parallels. So starting up, we have Garrett Temple, Aaron Gordon, Kawhi Leonard, Dennis Smith Jr., Nikola Jokic, Karis LeVert, J.J. Redick, Zach LaVine, Julius Randle, a rookie prominence for Trae Young, a rookie for Javon Carter, a rookie prominence for Rodion Kurix, rookie for Landry Shamet, rookie for Jerome Robinson, rookie for Jacob Evans, and that's it for that pack. Gonna sleeve up a couple of these rookies. There's our Trae Young. And we'll do our value pack for 19 to 20 illusions first. Looking for any orange and teal parallels in here. And we start off with Terry Rozier, T.J. Warren, Kevin Love, Tristan Thompson. We got an autograph. It said Seattle Supersonics, but of course that will go to the Thunder. Dale Ellis. We have a orange prism for Alfred Payton for the Knicks. Bradley Beal. Malik Beasley. Patty Mills. Tyler Hero. Bruno Fernando. And Admiral Schofield. There is our orange prism for the Knicks. That one is Andrew P. And our autographed Dale Ellis. That one is going to Vanessa. And then we will do our 20 to 21 illusions next. We have 3 packs of these. Again, looking for orange or teal parallels. And starting off, we have Jarrett Culver, Dennis Schroeder, Norman Powell, Malik Monk, Draymond Green, Kobe White, Kendrick Nunn. We have an orange Tristan Thompson for the Celtics. Jalen Brunson, Pascal Siakam, rookie Desmond Bane, and rookie Isaiah Joe. So that Tristan Thompson orange, that one's going to Thomas. And in our next pack, we have Eric Bledsoe, Dante DiVincenzo, Tyler Hero, Serge Ibaka, Mason Plumlee, Terrence Ross, Michael Porter Jr. We have an orange parallel rookie for Josh Green for the Mavericks. Drew Holiday. Jalen Brunson. Rookie Peyton Pritchard. And rookie Denny Avdija for the Wizards. So that one's going to Mel E. And then we'll do our last pack for illusions. And we have Jamal Murray, OG Ognebalwe, Fred VanVleet, Terry Rozier, Lou Williams, Bobby Portis, Andre Drummond. Career lineage for Tracy McGrady. We'll randomize that between the Magic and the Rockets. Darius Garland, Duncan Robinson, rookie Tyrese Halliburton for the Kings, and Trey Jones for the Spurs. All right, there's our Tracy McGrady. We'll randomize between the two teams before we sign off at the end tonight. All right, we're going to do our hanger. 1920 is the year. We're looking for 4 orange prisms in here. There's our cards and our empty box. And starting off, we have Kelly Oubre, Tyus Jones, Eric Gordon, John Wall, Al Horford, Kyle Kuzma, Chris Middleton, Mike Conley, Kevin Durant, green prism, Joe Harris, orange, Dante DiVincenzo, Tobias Harris, orange, Tomas Satoransky, and Austin Rivers, Will to Win, Kyrie Irving, Old School, Anthony Hardaway for the Magic, Hall of Fame, Charles Barkley, rookies, Rui Hachimura. There's an NBA debut rookie for Zion Williamson. And rookie KZ Okpala. So Mel E is a Zion Williamson rookie. We'll do Chronicles next. And here again, we're looking for Rookies and Stars inserts. There's our packs, our empty box. And starting off, we have Kevin Durant, Cameron Johnson, the purple parallel rookie. There's a Rookies and Stars, Jarrett Culver. A playbook, LeBron James. And marquee, Brandon Clark rookie. Here we have a Threads Carson Edwards rookie. Kyrie Irving. Prestige rookie Romeo Langford. Rookie for Tyler Hero. And a pink parallel LeBron James. Marquee. Here we have Giannis. A pink parallel Joel Embiid. Rookies and Stars Tyler Hero. A rookie for Kevin Porter Jr. And a rookie marquee for John Morant. So Andrew P, that rookie for John Morant's coming to you. And next we have Donovan Mitchell. A Threads rookie of Jarrett Culver. A Flux rookie of Cam Reddish. Let's see, Carson Edwards rookie. And Recon rookie of Kendrick Nunn. In this pack, we start off with James Harden. Cam Reddish rookie. Rookie for Eric Paschal, Rookies and Stars. Playbook for Steph Curry. And a marquee for Giannis. Here we have De'Aaron Fox. Sekou Doumbé, rookie. Jamal Murray. Carson Edwards, rookie. And a pink XR rookie for R.J. Barrett for the Knicks. We start off with Cam Reddish rookie Threads. A pink rookie for P.J. Washington Jr. There's a Rookies and Stars for Luka. A Luminance rookie for Zion. And a marquee rookie for Cam Reddish. There's our second Zion rookie. I'm sorry, I think I said that was a rookie. It's just Rookies and Stars for Luka. And then our last pack for Chronicles. And we have Julius Randle. A prestige rookie for Tyler Hero. A hometown hero for Cam Reddish. Another Tyler Hero. And an XR for Zion. All right, then we're going to finish off our night for basketball with our NBA hoops. We're looking for red prisms in here. There's our packs, our empty box. And we have Larry Nance Jr., Brooke Lopez, Allen Iverson tribute, and a green prism for Kobe White rookie card. Next we have Maxi Kleber, Enes Kanter, Kyle Anderson, and a John Wall prism. In our next pack, we have Gary Harris, Aaron Gordon, Bruno Fernando rookie, and an NBA City for Dragic. Next pack, we have D'Angelo Russell, Chris Middleton, Paul Millsap, and Kentavious Caldwell-Pope. And next pack, we have Wesley Matthews, De'Aaron Fox, rookie Keldon Johnson, and a green prism for Ivica Zubac. On the next pack, we have Domantas Sabonis, Kevin Knox, a John Morant tribute rookie card, and a Harrison Barnes prism. There's our second John Morant rookie. On this pack, we have Jordan Clarkson, Dennis Smith, Marcus Morris, and a courtside for Russell Westbrook for the Rockets. And this is our last pack of the night, and then we do have the one card to randomize. We have Jaren Jackson, Ersan Ilyasova, rookie for Grant Williams, and Victor Oladipo. Let me just move these out of the way. All right, so we have our Tracy McGrady career lineage. Let me just look here. For the Magic, we have Vanessa. For the Rockets, we have Alex. So what we're going to do is randomize. If we can see it on here. Let me just adjust here. There we go. We're going to randomize the number, odds and evens. If it is an odd number, it's going to go to the Magic. If it's an even number, it's going to go to the Rockets. Even, so that one will go to the Rockets and Alex J. Again, thank you, everybody. Like I said, the cards will be out in the mail to you Monday morning. Everybody have a good rest of their weekend, and we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.